Hi, my name is Jessica Schwartz, and I am a full-time writer, editor, and book coach, and I am so excited to introduce you to how to write a book in 3 months. This course is a 12-week online course with everything that you need to write a nonfiction book. This course is going to go through everything from creating an outline and refining your ideas, how to break down a chapter, even going into things after the writing is finished, such as the editing process and using your book to help you build or grow a business. I am so excited to introduce you to this course. It is an absolute labor of love. I have worked with dozens and dozens of authors, whether that is editing their completed manuscripts, ghostwriting books for them, and even book coaching from the very first day. So I am so excited to be able to provide you with this content. So the first 8 weeks is content with videos, weekly calls, and the last 4 weeks of the course is dedicated writing time. So you are going to be able to spend those last 4 weeks perfecting your manuscript. We even go into things like self-editing techniques and beta reading. We do peer review. This is a community of authors. You are not going to be going through this process alone. Not only will you have me guiding you, but you're also going to have a group of people who are going through the same process you are, who understand what you're going through, your frustrations, your triumphs, and this course is going to get you there. If you've been thinking about writing a book, now is the time, because if not now, when? In 3 months, you could have a completed nonfiction manuscript for your book ready to go into editing and then publishing. And so in 3 months from now, are you going to wonder why you didn't start, or are you going to have your book? I look forward to working with you, and if you have any questions, reach out to me directly.